I have a whole attitude. Why was I recording this video and it legit X'd me out when I was recording?
And
Like, are you kidding me? Like, y'all are not gonna be able to see how I got this eye. I'm annoyed. Hi, my name is Malon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all just don't understand how mad I am, and I honestly would have took all of this off and restarted, but the eye came out so pretty to me, so it's like I didn't want to, but I'm real life just irritated. But hey, in showbiz, life goes on. This video really didn't talk about much. I was just like having like girl talk, I guess. I didn't really go into depth about like a good technique or anything. I just been talking about, you know, what I've been doing through quarantine. My everyday life during quarantine has been trying to be productive as possible as I can. I'm so tired of doing my makeup and taking it right off. Like, you don't understand, if you do makeup like and your makeup comes out bomb, is all outdoors and nobody gets to see it, only the house gets to see it, you would be so irritated. And I'm getting to that point, but it's like I gotta keep going, and I'm just praying that this pandemic blows over as really soon, because I'm sick of it. But let's get into the tools that I use. The AINA palette. I went ahead and used the colors. Ooh, a brush just fell on me. Dang, I hope it don't stain my leggings. I used the color Ginger, Edges, Credit, Wigglies, and Zam. As you can see, this palette, yeah. So write those down because I can't, yeah, just write them down. My face is primed already. I use PORE Professional Pearl Primer. Also Glow Master, the Hydration Glow, and the colored Nude Glow. This really smells like cotton candy. I love using it because it smells like cotton candy. You know, I use Fenty Beauty to do the color correct on my dark spots. Let me tell y'all something. I'm a really hairy person and I have a lot of hair on my skin, and I legit could not take it no more. So I bought a razor from Amazon and some oil, and I shaved all of the hair off of my face, and it feels amazing. But the color for Fenty Beauty that I use is 450 Pro Filt'r. You know, I only do a few squirts of this because Miss Mama's comes out a lot. So how's everyone's quarantine going? I hope that y'all are being safe. I hope your family and your friends are being safe. You know, try to keep a positive attitude within this pandemic that we are going through. Just know that you're not in it alone, okay? Everybody's in it, the whole entire world, okay? You are not alone, sweetie. I forgot to put setting powder on my face first. Ugh, I don't know why I always forget that, but I'm going to do it now because I want this to be a good look. This is the Fenty Beauty setting powder. This is Hazelnut. Quick thing, I just ordered the what is it called? The Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to start using that to set my face first before I do anything else, instead of setting powder, to seeing if that makes a difference. But I just do this for, you know, oil control and all of that. So I hit the spots that are like really oily on my face, which is like my forehead, chin, under the eye area. You get the point. I'm running out of things to do, you know, I really am. This is the brush M509 Morphe. Just gonna go ahead and buff this out a little bit on top of that color corrector. You know, players mess up, you know, players do. I should have did this first, but hey, we doing it now, so that's all that matters. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe matte foundation. This is the color F440. Applying it with the Sephora foundation brush, number 47. I'm just gonna dab that on my face first. I got a question, y'all. Is it worth creating a TikTok? Reason I am opposing this question is because I like TikToks. I like watching them on my Instagram when I'm scrolling. I don't have an account. But is it worth actually getting an account? Because I'm never gonna make one. Reason being is people that I have talked to that have created TikToks say it takes hours. And I just refuse to be on there trying to make a video for hours that legit lasts for like 2 minutes. Like, yeah, I would do that for makeup, but for TikTok, no ma'am. But is it worth actually making like the account to see other people's TikToks? Because, you know, not everything gets to the gram or Twitter. Is it really that funny? Like, is it worth me adding another social media app to my phone? Is it worth it? So let me know. I got so much hair, Jesus Christ. I be trying not to get makeup in it, but damn. I be trying to go as deep as I can in my hairline, but I just hate getting makeup in my hairline because when it's time for me to wipe all of this off, if I get hair in my hairline, I mean, not hair in my hairline, if I get water in my hairline and stuff start curling up after I just got this press out, oh baby, please.
Oh, Carissa, please.
Next, we're gonna go in with some setting spray. I'm going to use the Dewy Set Anastasia. Yeah, is this Anastasia? Yes, Anastasia. Next, let's go in with some concealer. Of course, y'all know I use Nars concealer, the Radiant Creamy. I use two. I use the color Chocolate and I use the color Caramel. We're gonna go ahead in with, what's this? Chocolate first. Y'all already know what the drill is when it comes to my concealer game. I did a whole video on this, by the way, and I think it was a really good video of just breaking down concealer and contour. I think it was a really good video. I have another question for the people who have baes during this quarantine. You know, like your boo, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your whatever. You know, how are y'all doing during this quarantine? Like, are y'all quarantining with y'all baes? And if y'all are, how is that working for you? Because I think if I had a quarantine with my boyfriend, I don't have one, but if I had one and I had to quarantine, I don't know if I'll be able to survive, because I'm just real big on my space. And I just feel like y'all gotta be on top of each other all the time if you're quarantining in the house. Like, you know, you're not supposed to go nowhere. And that would drive me insane. I'm not really a lovey-dovey type of person. I can be, if it's, you know, if I'm really digging the person, I guess, that kind of makes a difference. But honestly, I'm not that type. I've really never been that type. I feel like I've only been like super lovey-dovey, like one person in my life, like one boyfriend. But I don't know. And the people who are not quarantining with their baes, are y'all risking y'all life and at this point freedom? Because they finding people if you go out and it's not essential. And certain appointments, sweetie, are not essential, okay? Well, if you say that, then no. Like, you know what I'm trying to say. Like, that ain't essential. Are y'all risking y'all freedom and y'all health to go see y'all baes? I'm going in with that caramel Radiant Nars concealer, yeah. So are y'all risking y'all freedom to go see them? Like, how are y'all doing that? Let me know. I was wondering that because the people that I know that are having significant others, they're either with them and they're being like stir crazy and just like can't wait until they can get some space. And then the people that I know that do not quarantine with their baes, they're kind of like, oh my god, I want to see them, and they haven't really risked their freedom yet. But I wonder, is there any risk takers out there that are risking to go see they boos? This year was really supposed to be like one of the happiest moments of my life. Like, You know, I'm graduating from college. I was supposed to have a whole commencement ceremony, but that got canceled. My friends and family were supposed to come down, and none of that is happening because of this virus. You know, I was looking forward to these celebratory moments forever. Like, as soon as I got to college, I was ready to just like, oh, I can't wait to graduate. So that has been a damper on my spirit just a bit. But some of the things that I am uplifting my spirit with is just talking to family and friends and just wishing them well and praying and, you know, just making sure I'm doing my part by staying in the house and staying clean and all of that good stuff. I try not to complain as much because it could be worse. So I get that and understand that by all means, but I wouldn't be human if I didn't have something to say. And the reason why I'm sharing is because I feel like there's a lot of people that are probably relating to what I'm going through as well. So, you know, I ain't got no shame in my game. Letting this dry down a little bit and trying to hurry up at the same time because I got stuff to do. Quarantine snacks while I'm filming. Girl Scout cookies, Do-si-dos. Best cookies you could ever have. Honestly, top 2. That's number 2. The first best Girl Scout cookie is the shortbread ones, the truffles. Oh my god. I'm gonna go in with a damp blending sponge and just start dabbing this in, of course. Y'all already know. I love putting concealer right under a wing liner because it just makes it look so precise and so pretty. You know, during this quarantine, this would have been a perfect time for Beyonce to come out with a new documentary on Netflix. Just saying, B, throwing that out there. I saw on Twitter and they said that this time would have been perfect for the 3rd season of You to come out on Netflix, and I never related to something more, okay? Face is concealed like never before. You already know. That's crazy how I just went in with the dewy setting spray, but I have on a matte foundation. I don't care, it still look good. Next, I'm gonna go ahead in with some setting powder. You already know Fenty Beauty saves the day once again. I gotta tell y'all some of my favorite Instagram accounts right now. The first one is the Leslie Jordan. The old man, he's an older actor, I think.
Well, shit. What are y'all doing? Screwing?
You can just see like he's a very a very joyful, cheerful person. And his videos be having me dead, okay? I just love Fenty Beauty. I love this. I'm going in with the contour from MAC. Oh, I don't know the shade of this because it's blurred out, but I'm using the Sephora contour brush number 49. Don't judge me, y'all. Yes, I still suck in my cheeks when I do my contour. You mad? Take it up with your mama or your creator, yeah. All right, I'm gonna add some setting powder to the bottom cheek area. Where's my setting? Oh, here we go. I'm gonna add that just to scope my contour a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead in with the Brontour palette from Morphe. This is the color Frenemy. Gonna use bronzer brush. One of my faves right now is M108 from Morphe as well. I'm so tired of these little strands just being all over my face, my hair. Honey, when I first started doing makeup, I was casket ready. I used the MAC Finisher Dark Deepest. I can't show it because I broke it and I just don't want the powder to drag all over the place. So I pat it into the area under my eye. I'm gonna use the highlight from Morphe. This highlight is called High Impact. It's like a gold highlight. I can't really show it all that much either because I broke it and I just don't want it to fall everywhere. But of course, y'all already know the nose is the first part, I put on some lashes for you good young people. I'm gonna add some blush to my little old cheeks. This is from Tarte. This is called Party, and it's a really pretty color. It's like a coral pink color. This brush, don't know where I got it from. It says Precision Beauty. All right, I'm using the Morphe Lip Pencil Sugar Pie. I'm going to just line my lips with this. Ooh, pretty. I love Morphe lip liners because for one, they only $4. This is the color Choker. I don't know where I got it from, but it smells really good, and it's a really pretty matte chocolate color that I love. I think I want to overline my lip just a bit. So that completes the final look, guys. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and check this out for me. Yeah, I think I did the damn thing. Stay safe during this pandemic. The quicker we get through this, the quicker we can be outside and do all the things that we want to do, okay? So please stay safe. Y'all are all in my prayers. And yeah, watch out for the next video.